welcome to Brandtex, and today we are in conversation with Mayank Pandey, who is the DGM of the Jindal Electrical. Thank you for chatting with us.
Thank you.
So you're one of the largest, South Asia's largest power control companies. So what's your vision at the Jindal
See,
Electrical?
we want to be, you can say, the world's largest, you can say, energy saver by 2030.
Sure.
We want to, our consumers save energy at the max. We have saved, I mean, quite a gigawatt of energy since our inception in 56.
Sure.
So, and we want to make sure that any consumer who is facing problem of voltage fluctuation, we want that consumer should not waste his electrical precious energy. Everybody wants to be energy efficient, and carbon credit wants to go up.
Sure.
So we are working on that, and our vision is that to, you can say, achieve most of the goal of what we have set by 2030 at least.
Excellent. So what are the key features of the voltage stabilizers?
Okay, so it helps stabilizes the voltage, that it is prime feature, and in the most direct advantage is that it helps reduction in breakdown, and it helps saves energy because the voltage required for any electrical equipment to run is has to be constant, and whenever a consumer receives the voltage higher or lower, then it consumes more energy, or the life fails, and the life reduces, sorry, and there is wear and tear of the equipment. If I have to, you can say, make an analogy, it's just as a fever. Like we experience fever, so we operate at, you can say, efficiently at 98.4, but whenever the temperature goes high or low, the efficiency reduces. So same is the case
Okay.
with electrical equipment. That's why if you notice, we have marketed it as voltage fever, so we call ourselves as voltage doctors.
That's very beautifully
Yeah.
explained.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your, can you share some case studies?
Yes, we have case studies ranging from hospitality industry, from Hyatt Hotel to, you can say, the Gupta Power in cable industries, and then from Kirloskar Brothers to Larsen and Toubro in engineering. So they have not actually not only saved energy and reduced their breakdowns, but have recovered the cost of stabilizers invested in less than a year. So it pays you back if you have voltage fluctuation. It is, I would say, it's a vaccine. It's a kind of a vaccine which you should give to the establishment or factories. Like we vaccinate a baby when a baby is born, you vaccinate
Right.
for every
Right.
possible disease. So same is the case with stabilizers. So it's a
Okay.
kind of vaccine, I should say, and that's
Okay.
why it is useful wherever a client is suffering from whether small or wide voltage fluctuations.
Okay, so it's important to constantly keep innovating to elevate. So
Yeah,
talk to us about your R&D and your
we have an
innovation
R&D
center.
team, and the latest offering which we have in terms of our product is the IVC, which we call as Intelligent Voltage Controller. It helps the clients to actually monitor remotely. Somebody sitting in Bombay can monitor his unit in Himachal of how what's the voltage profile there over a cloud, or like we have a user account for Facebook and LinkedIn, like that.
Sure.
So they can monitor it remotely. What's the consumption of voltage stabilizer? What is the voltage pattern are they getting? What is the payback? What is the amount of energy stabilizer is saving?
Okay.
So that's
What's the
that's
way
the
forward then? Can you share some trends?
Yeah. So I mean, we are into way forward as in the innovation part.
Yes.
Okay, so we are into almost commercial stage. We got hampered because of the COVID-19 and some supply issues from China.
Sure.
But we are into, you can say, mainstream again, and we will be ready most likely by next financial year. So that is starting April. We'll be ready.
Okay. Thank you so much. Wonderful chatting
Thank
with
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
For,
you.
thank you.